Went ahead and bought this replacement air filter set for our WINIX. This is a model AM80 that we have that we run in our home. This is a genuine one here that actually comes with two parts. I'm going to show you what's in the box. So when you get this, it actually comes with both the active carbon layer as well as the full brand new HEPA layer. And in this WINIX system, what you do is you pull off the front. It comes off with a magnet. Now the one piece it doesn't come with is this initial screen, so you will need to keep that there. But this is what it comes in this kit, are these two pieces. This one is this active carbon layer like that has all the individual active carbon pieces there to help reduce odors. And then it has the HEPA piece in here that just slides in like that. So this new kit will go right in there. It'll be a direct fit. So here's the old one we just pulled out. Here's the new one. It is good to mention that this new carbon filter, it will have a little bit of some carbon residue that may fall out of there. This has an arrow that shows the airflow, and it has the tabs on the back. So we're going to put it with the airflow blowing in with the tabs because it's going to suck from this side here. Then we're going to insert our new carbon filter in there like that. And then you got to replace that main screen. If you do need to purchase that, it's going to be separate. It's a good idea to rinse this off, which I'm going to do, of course, but then just install it in there like that, lock it into place, and you're ready to put the cover on. You're good to go.